Okay, to pull this out, it's really not that hard. You're actually going to take a flathead right here and down here. I'll show you. Just wiggle, wiggle. Top part of that will pop up. Sometimes you need a little more. And the bottom's going to pop up too. You can go underneath here and give it a little boop. But obviously you want to be gentle. Okay, once we have that switch plate up, we're going to take out 1, 2, and 3 different clips. And once we take those clips out, we'll be able to take our whole switch out and we'll be able to start changing out the bulbs. Alright, so now that we've got our master switch out, we're going to turn that over. We're going to pull these screws on the corners here, and over here. Alright, this guy right here, this guy over here, those are your lights that are more than likely burnt out. It happens in all of them. Now that we've got our bolts out, we're actually going to take this piece off. You know, I suppose you could just pop this apart without taking those bolts out, but I'd rather not worry and concern about maybe cracking the casing on that. You're going to see right here on the corners where my thumb is, and on the edges themselves, we're basically going to do the same thing we do when we, you know, pop the clips off. We're going to go around it with a flathead. Now you want to be gentle with this, because if you end up putting too much pressure on these, they will break, and then it won't work anymore, and then, you know, this whole process was pointless. Okay, now that cover's going to come off, and you're going to get to pull this out. Alright, this is the back side. That's how we had it in before. You want to make sure you pay attention to the way you put this back in, and be very delicate with these, because these boards will fry out fairly easily. Okay, so now we're just going to twist these out like you would any other accessory lamp and put the new ones in. Alright, now that we've changed out those bulbs, we're going to just reverse the process and throw it right back in the truck, and you should be good to go.